In this video, I'll show you how to enable auto-tagging in Google Ads so your campaigns can track clicks and conversions more accurately. Auto-tagging automatically adds a tracking parameter known as the GCLID to your ad URLs. This helps tools like Google Analytics attribute traffic, sessions, and conversions to the correct campaigns, keywords, and ads without needing manual tracking links. To enable it, open your Google Ads account and go to the left-hand menu. Click Admin, then select Account Settings. In this section, look for the auto-tagging option. You'll typically see a checkbox or toggle labeled something like "Tag the URL that people click through from my ad." Turn this option on to allow Google Ads to automatically append the tracking parameter to your ad. URLs. After enabling the setting, click Save to apply the change. From that point forward, Google Ads will automatically include the tracking identifier in ad clicks, helping improve reporting accuracy across connected analytics tools. Depending on your website setup, ensure your site does not remove URL parameters so the tracking data remains intact. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.